Good morning. So I am going to create one endpoint. First application that I have created, look at it, how I'm going to talk to my LLM, my model. And this is what I'm going. So see, this is the whole ID that I have created by myself. It is my image, my company logo. It's not a company. This is my brand logo. And this is AI visual. All these things are on LangChain. So what I'm going to start with post API. I'm going to ask question to the LLM and that application is built. All thing I will teach you every step code by code, line by line. And here the post API, the chat. I'm asking what is an AI? Okay. And here I am just turning off the RAG right now. Just basic first application that I have created on Lang. And I have two versions of my prompt. And in production, you can create many versions. So I have created first version and I'm using it. Two versions have been created, friendly and clear. Let's start with that. Okay. And let's run this flow. Run the flow. What is here right now? See, in a request, I am passing endpoint is this, method is this, and body is what is LLM. Prompt version is first, and using DAG is false. You can see the button. And now let's stop this there. And let me make it better for you. And here I can make this bigger and see where this is actually hitting the point. It is going to the front end. Okay. That has been created on Angular and it is calling run flow method. Now let's go and go to step in. It is calling. Now see the next line, state dot start flow. It is selecting the endpoint, form the value, and this you can go hover over this. Let's, and here execution steps is also there. On top, you can see the execution flow. It is just getting the user input. Let me expand it. Now it is clear. Now you can see clearly and it's completely visible to you. See, question endpoint is being selected. Now go for the next step. In next step, where the code is API route. Okay. And the file is folder is API and route.python. Okay, and it is coming to this route. It will route. It's like a Spring Boot controller. And now going to step in. Now request is coming. Let's see what is the request. Request, whatever the question I have asked. See, you can see now. What is the request? What is an AI? Now go step in. Now it is question, prompt version, and using RAG or not. It is returning. And now see, you can see the question, prompt, and RAG use. Now go to step over. Now it is calling the service. What is the file name? AI.service, right? And calling this method. Now go to step in. All these line of execution you can see right now. Done. And now this is calling the service. And it just skip the RAG. Go to step over and look at it is. It is not calling RAG because I have made the flag false. Now it is calling the agent. Agent calling is happening right now in which get agent.pyma, and in that get agent executed method is being called. Now see this LLM. It is calling LLM. This is the agent, right? And now returning what? Agent tool verbose return immediate steps handling error done. Now going to the next. Now it is going get LLM. Now it will get the LLM done and tool and the memory. Now it is going for memory and now AI response done. You can see this response here. AI stand for artificial intelligence, refers to the whole thing is there. And now this restore, let me give you here also, here in JSON format, here in a text format, right? Now see execution steps. It is there. How it is going, user input to receive, FastAPI route handle, orchestrator invoke, agent executor build, LLM routing decision, tool execution, memory updated, and response serialized. and you are like a human loop is always there. You can see that what is actually going on. Now let's do the same thing with the second version. So let's reset it and go for the same, but the version is different. And now I am going this, but here the twist. What I'm going to do right now is autoplay mode. So see, autoplay, it is doing automatically. API routing, calling this method, see the path, agent, LLM, tool, memory, and response. Now see the response. See how good the response is. It is completely different. It is more detailed and analytical, not a normal. You can say in, you can see the same thing in JSON format as well. So this is personal ID I have created. So this is my first project that I have created. I have explained you the API, the question, and the format, how is going to run, execution flow, which way it is going to call, payload, execution steps, and the most important code you can understand. You can go to my GitHub and fork this repo and can learn it like pro. No matter you know coding or not, you will understand how to build an AI, not understanding only AI. So, Sam, thank you so much. And thank you so much. Thank you a lot.